Good morning students, welcome to the science class. Today we are learn about causes of water pollution. You can see in the images students how water is polluted. Water is polluted by industrial waste, throwing waste material, and you can see in the image some persons are washing clothes and utensils and bathing animals. All these are the causes of water pollution. The causes of water pollution: sewage and wastewater. Domestic, household, industrial, and agriculture practices produce wastewater that can cause pollution of many lakes and rivers. Sewage is the term used for wastewater that often contains feces, urine, and laundry waste. Sewage is the mainly biodegradable and most of it is broken down in the environment. So, what are the causes of water pollution? Listen students, when discharge of untreated industrial and domestic waste into the water bodies is one of the main causes of water pollution. Bathing of human being and animals, washing clothes, and carrying out other domestic activities in or near lakes, rivers, ponds, etc. dirties the water bodies. So, inorganic pesticides and chemical fertilizers used by farmers drain into water bodies by a process known as leaching. As a result, certain pesticides such as DDT can enter the bodies of aquatic animals and reach human beings by way of food chains. Now, what are the symptoms of malaria? You know that students, the disease cholera, which is caused by contaminated water, means polluted water, and mosquito also breeds on stagnant water. Mosquitoes spread malaria disease. The parasite Plasmodium is present in the body of female mosquito called Anopheles. The parasite enters the human blood when a mosquito bites and leads to symptoms of fever, shivering, high fever, headache, body pain, weakness, vomiting, and sweating. All these are the symptoms of malaria. And if proper treatment is not given, it may cause death. Causes of malaria. Malaria is caused by the Plasmodium parasite. The parasite can be spread to human through the bites of infected mosquitoes. There are many different types of Plasmodium parasite, but only 5 types cause malaria in humans. They are Plasmodium falciparum, the most common type of malaria parasite and is responsible for most malaria deaths worldwide. Second is Plasmodium vivax. Third, Plasmodium ovale. Fourth, Plasmodium malariae. Fifth, Plasmodium knowles. So, preventing of water pollution. How to prevent water pollution? Conserve water by turning off the tap and don't throw paints and oils in water channels. Use environment friendly household products such as washing powder, household cleaning agents, etc. Take great care not to overuse pesticides and fertilizers. Don't throw litter into the rivers, lakes, or oceans. Help clean up any litter you see on beaches or in rivers and lakes. Make sure it is safe to collect the litter and put it in a nearby dustbin. Suspended solid particles and inorganic materials can be removed by the use of filters. Use of biological filters and processes can naturally degrade the organic waste material. After above two steps, chemical addi- additives are supplied to get rid of any leftover impurities. So what we can do? So we can control water pollution to good extent if we follow certain measures like bathing and washing clothes near water bodies such as the lakes, ponds and rivers should be restricted. Domestic and industrial waste and sewage waste should be treated to remove toxic substances, means poisonous substances before being released into the water bodies. Pollution control rules enforced by government should be strictly followed. Last, usage of eco-friendly fertilizers and herbicides should be encouraged to prevent water pollution due to runoff the leaching. So how to conserve water and why we conserve water? You know that student, water is essential to life on earth. We need water to grow food, keep clean, provide power, control fire, and last but not least, we need it to stay alive. Simple way to conserve water. When we washing dishes by hand, don't let the water run while rinsing. Fill one sink with wash water and the other with rinse water. Run your clothes washer and dishwasher only when they are full. You can save up to 1,000 gallons a month. Simple way to conserve water. Water your lawn and garden in the morning or evening when temperatures are cooler to minimize evaporation. Wash your fruits and vegetables in a pan of water instead of running water from the tap. So what we can do? We have to use water carefully though it is the most abundant substances. This is because potable water is less. Avoiding wastewater. It is the duty of every citizen to prevent water pollution. Conservation of water. Water is a natural resource for us. There are many ways to conservation of water. We can use water in many different ways. Water is also very important for our daily life. Without water, no one can live. In this lesson, we have studied about importance of water, sources of water, physical characteristics of water, biological importance of water, water pollution, causes of water pollution, symptoms of malaria, causes of malaria, prevention of water pollution, and last, conservation of water. That is completed your lesson, students. In the next video, we have learned question answers about water lesson. Thank you, students.